Hello everyone, welcome to EaseUS channel. We'll focus on the topic SSD cloning software in this video. If you have bought yourself a nice new NVMe MDR SSD, or perhaps you are trying to swap out an old SSD, or replace an infinite SSD cloning software will make the process much easier. We tested many free and paid SSD cloning software to take care of users at all levels, whether you are a technological novice or a computer expert. We have found an easy-to-use but powerful SSD clone tool, EaseUS Disk Copy. It is a Windows-based SSD clone program and works on SSDs from different manufacturers like Samsung, Intel, Kingston, Western Digital, etc. It is known as one of the best software to clone SSD easily, and you don't need to worry about losing data during the process. Now let's see how to use it to clone an SSD. You can download it from the official website and install as the instructions, which will take about 1 or 2 minutes. Before we get started, let's have a quick glance at what you need to prepare. A screwdriver. You need to unscrew PC screws and open the back cover. A USB-to-SATA adapter. Connect the new SSD to your laptop or computer. A new SSD like Samsung, Intel, Kingston, Western Digital, etc. and pay attention to the capacity. After downloading EaseUS Disk Copy, here is how to clone an SSD to another one with this easy-to-use SSD cloning software. Step 1. Connect the new SSD to your computer via the USB-to-SATA adapter. Step 2. Launch EaseUS Disk Copy. Click Disk Mode and select the old SSD and the target disk, and then click Next. Step 3. Select the new SSD and the destination disk and connect Next. Step 4. Manage the disk layout by choosing Auto-Fit the disk, copy and the source, or edit disk layout, then click Proceed. Step 5. Warning message will pop up, then click Continue to start SSD clone. Then wait for the process to finish, which may take about several minutes, and you can get a new cloned SSD successfully. The time it takes depends on how much data on your source disk. That's it. Sounds easy? Download and try EaseUS SSD clone software. After cloning, you can replace the old SSD with the new one and change the boot order in the BIOS settings to set the new SSD and the boot drive. Restart your computer and press 1 key to take you into the BIOS setup screen. The BIOS key varies depending on your PC's manufacturer, but it's using F2, F12, delete, or S key. Navigate to the Boot tab, look for the Boot Priority or Boot Order option and select it. Top the SSD on the boot order list using the arrow key and save the changes before exiting the BIOS setup screen, then reboot the PC. That's all about our video about the SSD cloning software. If you have any question, comment on this video and we will answer it in time.